Did you know that former President Donald Trump's tax plan is proposing to eliminate income taxes? Yeah, I said it. Eliminate income taxes. Sounds good, right? But what's in this plan that'll allow this, and how will it affect you? Well, his plan is to levy tariffs to pay for the elimination of income taxes. But what are tariffs? See, tariffs are fees that our government impose on other countries that export goods into the U.S. Since the export company is foreign and its owners aren't citizens, they can't be taxed. So the alternative is to surcharge that country with a fee on goods they import to us. Most of the time, tariffs are punitive, in other words, a way for us to punish other countries. But Donald Trump is saying he isn't using it in a punitive way, rather a way to eliminate taxes or income taxes for Americans. So what is the impact? I'm glad you asked. If foreign countries decide to reduce or eliminate exports to the U.S., that can affect our lives significantly. I mean, can you imagine not being able to buy things you're used to having as a regular part of your daily lifestyle? And if you can buy them, there being a significant price increase or extreme shipping delays, given the economy we're already in with all of the inflation that we have. You know what? Let me bring this home for you. Can you imagine a life with limited to no Amazon Prime? That might be extreme, but you know that same day, overnight, or next day delivery that you're used to? Okay, let me stop playing. If you operate a business where you're importing goods, your cost of goods sold will increase, which means in order for you to make a profit, you'll have to increase your prices. And if your customers aren't willing to pay the price increase, you can end up with a revenue decrease. Well, the obvious impact on the national economy, or not so obvious, is the elimination of jobs. Because businesses that lose money due to the increased cost of goods sold or reduction in revenues may have to scale down their employees. Now, there is a potential positive here. Maybe businesses will stop importing and begin to manufacture themselves, made in America, which actually creates jobs. And I actually believe this is the strategy Donald Trump have in mind, but again, it really could go either way. And finally, what's the impact on the global economy? Despite what Trump says, many countries may perceive the tariffs as punitive, which won't be good for our foreign relations. You do know that acts of war come in many forms, and what if there's retaliation against the U.S. as a result? This is just one aspect of Trump's tax plan. For more details about Trump and Harris tax plans, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out my upcoming videos where I'll continue to monitor and bring you the details of both plans and how they'll affect you. Listen, I'm on a mission to make sure you protect your hard-earned money, no matter who wins the presidency. That's why I want you to join me at the Tax Strategy Conference, October 21st through 23rd, from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., where I'm going to teach you the secrets to living a tax-free life just like the wealthy. If you're tired of overpaying IRS, having too much withholding taxes taken out of your paycheck, or paying capital gains on your real estate sales, you can't afford to miss this event. Register today. You'll be glad you did.